Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Shout out to all my lovers of life, the crypto lifers, the illest crew in the game. No better, more sustainable, more solid group of people I've ever met in my entire life. Crypto lifers are ready to bang on them every single day. I've been up since 6:45. I've scanned the markets. I know pretty much where Bitcoin's about to do, what it's about to do. The probability is high, and I'm about to break it down for you. 100 likes before I even entered the live. Y'all are unbelievable. You made it happen. XRP banging on them, up 8%. Synthetics up 4%. Interesting. Let's get into that live screen. Let's show you what's happening in the crypto markets every single day without fail. And I took too much zinc. I think I have a zinc pill. I took one in the morning, and I think I took a second one. I think I took 2 zincs accidentally. I've been sick for 2 days. I researched it. Zinc can make you very, very sick if you take too much. I've been throwing up, no lie, like just last night. This true story. On my birthday last weekend, old friend of mine hits me up. Hey man, haven't seen you in a while. I said, man, we really need to hang out. Let's get it today. Great job on ATB. Shout out to everyone that jumped on ATB with me. The lifers, we took over. We won, baby. We won. Yeah. We took it, baby. We took it. And I love when it got really close, man. That guy, Steve McQuarrie, was talking. He had 17. I had 18. I was like, stop talking. I was like, just shut up. No, I love you, Steve, if you're watching. But I was just like, no. He's about to take it. I busted out that cup and handle on Twitter at the last minute, man. And you have to be honest, some of those things I don't have. I'm banging them out in the last minute. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm whipping those things up behind the scenes. I don't always have it prepared. I didn't know I was going to have to show an avalanche chart. Thank God I had one ready. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know I was going to have to show an avalanche chart. I didn't think about it. Thank God I had one ready. Lifer won that easy. Lifer +1. Banter boy, my bang. Shout out to Bullish Kenny G. Shout out to everybody here. Eat too many shrimp, you'll get iodine poisoning. RIP Pimp C. Man, that's crazy, right? Good morning, everybody. Yeah, shrimp ain't good for you. Iodine poisoning, for sure. That cup and handle was the bomb on that show. Wen Dizzle. I'm going to have to check the P.O. box. Maybe it made it there today. Get that W on Around the Blockchain yesterday. Stephen Kimbrough, shout out to you. And yes, I believe, you're in a bear market when you're underneath the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame, hands down. So I have to agree. I mean, we're in a bearish correction. Call it whatever you want. So here's what I see happening for Bitcoin. Let's break it down. It's just real easy tonight because I've been working on it since 6 in the morning. So right now I'm locked and loaded for a long on the daily. I am personally locked and loaded for a long on the daily. I've entered it already, 39,900, 39,870, and I'm on a long for Bitcoin right now, right? And that's it. First take profit is going to be here at 47,700, and if we can get to 53,800, that's what we want to get. Too much of anything is bad. Yeah, of course. Award pending. You have 25 subs now too. Award pending. Bang, bang, bang. 25,000 subs, baby. We hit 25,000 subs. We finally did it, baby. On our way to 100K. We gotta triple it. We gotta triple it up, and then we gotta quadruple it up. 100K, baby. 100K. I know we can do it. And Velos just boomed today too. But let me not jump over too quickly here into the alts. Let's stay on Bitcoin. So I see the daily. Why? The daily stochastics are moving to the upside. MACD's about to cross. Bullish signs for the daily, in my humble opinion. So daily is very bullish in my favor. Even the 3-day starting to come down close enough for a reset, in my humble opinion. However, we could see a massive dump. Anything could happen. But right now, I'm going to ride that daily. And the daily might just come up here and get rejected by the top trend line at 42,600. It's very, very possible. Anything is possible. So, Jake the Snake, you are correct. Shout out to Jake the Snake. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Yeah, I learned that from you on the show yesterday. Thank you. I had never been there, didn't know what to do. +1 on the lifer. Taking care of my daughter. Got her wisdom teeth taken out. Ooh, that's tough. Hope she's all right. Don't eat raw chicken. The more you know. I would never eat raw chicken. Not a good look. Doesn't sound fun, 1 hour looking like a head and shoulders will most likely long after it plays out. We took the W. XRP Showbilly, we did take the W. So look, and also what I have calling out here too is swing up to swing up and then swing down to swing down. That's hidden bullish divergence on this time frame. That's hidden bullish divergence on Bitcoin on the daily. Okay? Like right now I'm so nauseous. Like I'm getting hit with this like comes in these waves. I've been fighting it for like literally 36 hours now. I'll be all right. I can't drink water. I can't eat. I'm afraid to put anything in my mouth. Like the second I do, it's blah, like coming right out. It's coming out both ends. So my buddy hits me up. Let me finish the story. So my buddy hits me up and he's like, yeah, you got to come over. You know, we got to hang out. I was like, let me come over for dinner. He's like, that would be amazing. How about Thursday? And we figure it out. We get it for Thursday. Great. Of course, I wake up on Thursday. By the afternoon, I'm throwing up. And he says, we're going to order a bunch of food. We're going to have salad and lasagna. What's your favorite food? Just do straight water, no lemon water. Okay, nobody on ATV said anything as valuable as you did. Jake the Snake, you're the man, dude. Thank you for saying that. You need a rip to cure that, Tony. So, my man. Can you GMT? It seems we break out. Send in a super chat, man. Do the right thing. Only has to be $1.99. Doesn't have to be a lot. Just do the right thing. I'm trying to absorb this knowledge, man. Jake, you got it, man. Just hang out every day. It'll come through. Human brain will grab it up for you. Have you tried Pepto-Bismol? Not yet. Not yet. I'm trying to absorb. Hey, man. So, look, daily about to pop. I'll finish the story. I'll finish Bitcoin, then I'll do the story. Then we'll get into alts, all right? We don't have to look at the Dow Jones today. Dow futures are stuck at negative 85. We got nothing to worry about there. So we don't have to look at the Dow. The Dow is closed for Good Friday. In case you didn't know, the Dow is closed for Good Friday. You are nauseated, not nauseous. Okay, thank you. Yeah, probably what's happening. Yeah. I do have charcoal. Babe, can you get me the charcoal? I got charcoal. Flush it out. Keep drinking as best you can. Babe, give me that charcoal, babe. No, you don't get it. I took too much zinc. I'm not sick. I took too much zinc. I got this awesome Z-Pack, and I took too much. I took 2 pills at the same time, overloaded the zinc. And you don't want to take too much zinc. I looked it up. You can get sick. One meetup. We'll do a Boston meetup. Anyone wants a meetup in the city of Boston? We can do a Boston meetup in the next, 2 to 3 weeks, for sure. I had to change everything up after the flu in January. Permanently damaged my stomach. Dang, man. Try some carbonated mineral. Perrier soda. Crackers with butter. Lemon mixed with dairy is a no-no. Eat crackers temporarily. My man. Gatorade is best. Don't become dehydrated. Milk will stimulate your stomach. Nauseous means something else. That's all. Hope you felt better. Oh, yeah, I'm nauseous or I'm nauseated. I'm in Boston. That's awesome. Beer's on me. I don't drink beer. I don't drink alcohol. iCloud. Yeah. But if you want to come to Boston, we'll do a meetup. I'll give you guys the date. Take the day off tomorrow and come back and come to the beach, bro. I love you, man. I wish I could. Eat yogurt. Says milk may help. Man, it hurts so bad right now. Oh, God. Anyway, so the daily. I'm long on the daily. All right. 4-hour also has come on down and done this little, curve, which is bullish to me. So even the 4-hour looks bullish. But let's get into the temporary time frame. What do we see here? We're going to zoom in. So we showed you the big time frame. I show you that I'm bullish, and I'm bullish as long as we hold trend. Like we got to hold this trend line right here. We break this trend line, and maybe we could go a little lower, and we could change the pattern, but we can't make a lower low. So we can't go lower than 37,700. That would negate my idea. I just want to put that out there. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's zoom in here. Show you what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So we look at just price action right here. Nice and big. But nice and big price action. Look at this. The 15-minute wants to flip to the upside. That's what I'm seeing. This is a rising wedge. Rising wedges break down 68% of the time. The measured move would take you to about this lower trend line or that lower trend line. That's the lower trend line. See, this is the main lower trend line of the big daily that I showed you. We do not want to break that. It's not going to be a good look, okay? And then there's the bearish divergence line that I drew. But, that's why there's 2 there. So rising wedges break to the downside 68% of the time. Everybody knows that, right? Now we look to the 15-minute. However, the 15-minute is low and wants to bounce back up. 15-minute even has a bit of hidden bullish because you got swing up to swing up, but you got swing down. That's not a swing up. Not as sharp as a swing. Not really. I'll say no. I'll say no. It was almost, but it wasn't. Let's raise up this. Yeah, look, lack of bearish momentum on the MACD. Signs of life. Also, this is a falling wedge here. That should break to the upside. It's a tiny. What is it, everybody? What is it, everybody? Who's going to say it? Who wants to say it? Who wants to say it, baby? Here for 6 weeks. My man. Africa meetup. But in Zimbabwe or Ethiopia. My man. That'd be amazing. Am I about to drive to Boston from Brooklyn? Maybe, Jake. Muser, we are having a hellacious BBQ tomorrow. at Fort DeSoto. We have a pavilion rented out, Easter egg hunt, and lots of food. Dude, you should go, man. Here for 6 weeks. Muser, you should go meet up with Rodney Robinson. I'll put you guys together in a group chat. He will blow your mind. You'll have a blast. You should go meet up with all my lifer friends, and they'll take care of you. They'll treat you like they would treat me, like a lifer. They'll show you the world. It'll be awesome. 6 weeks sounds amazing. You're a lucky guy. Love it. How is it down there, man? You gotta hit me up. Sammy coming heady. Yeah, it is. It's a Sammy coming heady to the upside. Hey, Karen, it's been 3 weeks. So anyway, moving forward. So look, Sammy coming heady. Can we break to the upside? Measured move is the length of that movement, but that would just reject us to the top of this pattern here. 74 AED. Thank you so much, Yusuf Katachi. Not sure what you want, but we'll get to it. I want to go. I'm in Tampa. I got to meet lifers. LOL. Nikos, wait for the trend reversal. All the market will be green by the end of the stream. Hello, Brian. So look, this is supposed to get a nice pump here to the upside on the 15-minute. 15-minute wants the pump. So that's what I'm suggesting, that the 15-minute will pump. However, the 1 hour is not in our favor, and the 1 hour is bearishly curving to the downside, and it does want to dump. So can the 15-minute raise us out? Then can we dump on out? But I do say that the measured move of the 1 hour is about 39,600, and we're going to watch this closely. This rising wedge should break down 68% of the time. If you're in my trading group, I break this down very easily. Why do I believe Bitcoin will go down to 37,000? Why? What makes me say that? Well, here's a rising wedge. Okay? Here's a rising wedge. The stochastics were hot. Here we are. MACD was, MACD was doing its thing, curving with the blue line, curving down. Pink showed. We dumped. There's a rising wedge, right? 68%. There you got your 68%. Here's your secondary rising wedge. High stochastics on the 1 hour. Everyone see these high stochastics on the 1 hour? Okay? High stochastics on the 1 hour. Dump. High stochastics on the 1 hour. MACD turning on you. Rising wedge. Dumpage. Here it is again. It's a rising wedge, right? MACD turning on you. You got high in the stochastics. Dumpage. Now you're in a rising wedge. MACD turning on you. You're basically on the same exact resistance line. Resistance for the RSI. And dumpage. So it's highly likely we get a dump. Isn't that pretty simple, everybody? You can backtest your trading, and your trading will teach you what's going to happen most of the time. What did it do last time when we set these same parameters? We dump. Says that we go down yet again, all right? Now, look at this. This is making a symmetrical triangle that we're in. Let's hope that when we do dump, maybe we don't break it, and we stay inside the triangle. This is the idea for the smaller time frame. Right here. And this is a symmetrical triangle. Measured move up here is 41,800. Measured move down here is 38,300. So this is what we're looking at. We're either breaking up, and this is a 50-50 shot, because it's a 50-50. This is a 50-50 pattern. This pattern breaks out 50% of the time and breaks down 50% of the time. Okay? We will never, ever tell you what to buy or what to do with your money. No. Hi, near protocol. Time come for the pump today. You never know. Let's take a look. Told him he has come to see Brady play this year. Then we can make Rodney happy and head back over the bridge to St. Pete's. Yeah. Somebody told me they had season tickets, and I told them to email me, and I would love to go with you to one of the games. I'll schedule it right now. Like, I'll schedule my flight and everything. Someone was on the live. They're like, I got you. Was it you, James? I think it was you, James. Email cryptolifers at Gmail. Let's put it together. I'll pay for the ticket. Let me know. Like, I got bread, man. I ain't broke, So look, 41,800, 38,300. This is what could happen out of the symmetrical triangle. So if we, and then we'll break the bigger triangle, right? So we're going to watch this very closely. This is what we need to watch for Bitcoin. Okay? This is it. This is going to be the next few days until, we break market structure, a different thing occurs. Please jump into my page, join my trading group. You can join my trading group with the link right at the bottom of my videos. The first link right there, it's a Me6 app. That's peer-to-peer. That's right from me to you. I only pay 3% in processing fees. I don't know if you didn't know, but Patreon, they take up to 8% additionally on top of a 3% processing fee and 30 cents for every $2. They gouge. So they take about 11% every single time. So when you join for $100, 99, I'm getting 89. But if you join Me6, I'm getting like 96, a little more. So Me6 helps out the channel way more. You also get quick access immediately to the Discord either way. But the Me6 apps is even quicker, even faster. Jump on into the public server here. All right. What you get in the public server, all right, You're going to get the boot camp, testimonials, and gains on gains. This is awesome information to keep you going. Like we hit OPCT, BTC. We got in on the 12th. We got out on the 14th for 62% gains. Banged on them to the upside. What a beautiful trade that was. Also, the month of March and in the beginning of April was insanity. February 25th to March 26th, 132% gains for Maple. And we hit Vulcan Forge. Banged on them. Our OPCT, that's another OP. That's the same one. I like trading this thing. 16%, right? Vulcan Forge, our baby. Banged on them. March 27th to the 28th, 2 days, 39% gains. It goes on and on. Check out the gains. You can see the day I posted them, the day they happened. Over and over again, very nicely documented. And it's all documented. No FUD, no craziness. These are exactly what happened. I have witnesses and people to see it. Check it out, all right? Read the testimonials. They'll blow your mind. They will blow your mind, you know? Right here, this is my favorite one today. 2 months ago, I was struggling financially, paying for med school and working part-time in the Army. Thanks to your phantom call, I paid off 2 years worth of debt today. Thank you, cryptolifer. You're the man, dude. Much respect to you and yours, man. I've been a swing trader for a while with good success, but Sam, my brother, your TA help has given me the confidence to start trading low leverage 3 to 5 Bitcoin trades. I'm very close to being in a position now to do this full time and be with my family more often. So much thanks to you, seriously. Now, I don't even suggest the leverage trading. Okay, I just want to make that clear. But hey, as long as he's doing what he does. Those on the fence joined the Patreon 5 days ago. I'm up already. Lifer is the real deal. And they go on. And you can just keep reading them. And here, you know, I watch every video of you and have been a member of the Ultimate Lifer package on Patreon for a month. I never learned so much in such a short time. Thanks and greetings from Germany. A lot of people get that download. They get that download. They get moving. Join the trading group. You will absolutely love it. It's so organized, so efficient. I got a learning library ready for you to jump into right away. You hit the learning library. There's videos ready for you to learn already. Look at this. Already, I'm going to show you the cup and handle. I got referral links that you can use that will help you, that help me. I show you the actual indicators that we all use, the CBC, the moving average, relative strength index, stochastics, volume profile, visible range. Check out the indicators, okay? Best trading software. Learn why we use 3 commas, right? Another 3 commas video, right? Learn what the cup and handle is. Learn how to long and short the market. Great video teaching you how to long and short the market. Break it down, okay? Right here, this is awesome too. A Fibonacci class, volume 1. This Fibonacci class will blow your mind. It's 51 minutes long. I mean, this will blow your mind. It's an hour-long Fibonacci class. This will blow your mind, okay? You will know everything you need to know about Fibonacci at the end of this video. You'll be ready to rock, okay? More 3 commas, more addressing, you know. Look, VPVR explained, death cross explained, divergences explained, fractals explained, visuals, ideas, ascending triangles, and more. Jump on into the group. It'll blow your mind. Then it's also me. Look, I even have a token metric section where I'm posting all my token metric stuff. Bang, bang, bang. And that costs $86 a month. I mean, for $99 a month, there is not a better trading group in the world. Jump on in today. $270 for cryptocurrency. Pay $270 for 3 months in crypto. Email cryptolifers@gmail today. All right. Only way any content provider can keep giving out free alpha is by plunging their services. No one can hand feed you. If you don't like the self-promotion or him getting super chats, bounce. I love it, man. Appreciate that. Cryptolifer, here we go. I'm crying already. Tears of joy. Your dedication frees people from financial slavery. I'll be one of those freed individuals. Goals. Where do you sign up? The link is right at the end of the video. Just look for my videos and the link is right there. Hit the Me6 app and jump on in. First link underneath the video. Pretty sure. First link underneath the video. I don't even listen to the haters anymore. The bigger you get, the more haters you get. They just pile up like manure. You know what I'm saying? Bye, Felicia. Love the haters, man. I start to love the haters more than I ever did because I'm like, you know what? Every time I get another hater. Bang, bang, bang. Respect Wendizzle. Yeah. So Bitcoin right there, 41,800, 38,300. That's what we're looking at. That's what we are looking at. Haters are our motivators. Yeah, I love them. I love them. And even nitpickers, like that dude Lee Smart. Lee, you're a nitpicker. You're a whiner, too. I'm calling you out as a little whiner. Straight up. No whiners here, man. Go whine somewhere else where someone wants to hear you whine. You want some cheese with that wine? Bounce. Bounce. Another whiner beat the streets. Beat it. Beat it on a Good Friday, man. Beat it. The more the haters means you're doing something right. It's all about the love in here. Haters can bounce. Yeah, let's I won't be negative anymore. Let's be super positive. But, you know, I do have a chip on my shoulder. I was born in Boston. You know what I'm saying? And we don't like whiners in Boston, man. Like, there's no whining here in the city of Boston. Like, second year whining, dude looking around like, get this guy out of here. Like, get this guy out of here. Like, pfft. He ain't a survivor. He's a whiner. You know what I'm saying? Me. Stop promoting your show. I want to hear everything that I want to hear. I don't want to hear you talk about your business and your life. Me. Man. Oh, my God, man. Anyway, Velos looking absolutely scrumptious. Let me turn back on my indicators here. VPVR actually shows you a line, too, in the sand there. Some structure right there, which it may bounce off of. That's interesting. All right. Velos has been pumping hard. It really has. Does it really not have any, I was about to say, hold up. We got thick skin in New England. Shout out to Crypto Muser in the game. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 200 likes, 288 people. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. So look at this. This is what we're forming a bit of a flag here on the 15-minute. Could even be a sharp flag. This thing could start pumping anytime soon. Thing had a huge move. Huge move. However, the daily is getting extended, but there may be a scalp coming. Maybe a little scalp coming here for Velos. Just putting down the radar. Something that I'm looking at. Something that I'm looking at. And the guy's like, please give us what we want. Like, I didn't just give him like 25 minutes of Bitcoin analysis. Like, and then I can't talk about my trading group. Like, what a weirdo. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, what a weirdo. Lee, you are a weirdo, bro. You know that, right? Let's call it this weirdo, bro. Lee Smart, you're a weirdo, bro. I'm done, man. I'm done. I gotta stop. Anyway, now say it like Mark Wahlberg. Hey, bro, just because I promoted, hey, babe, just because I promote my channel, okay, we're going to make it, babe. We're going to get to the top. We're going to go all the way. I'm Mark Wahlberg, okay? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what happens. I'm Mark Wahlberg. I got a Boston accent, and I'm in every movie that has a gun in it and a guy that's from Boston that plays like a cop or something. Okay, so I'm always a fireman. I'm always a guy, and I work at the gym, all right? If I'm not in the gym in the movie, if I can't work out in the movies, then I don't want to be in the movie. There has to be 2. If I'm in the movie, there has to be 2 pull-ups, 3 push-ups, and at least a few bench presses in the scenes. If there's no scenes of me bench pressing, I can't be in the movie. All right? So I just, like, we got to do that. I need to get a pump real quick. Go get a pump, man. Go get a pump. Go get a pump, dude. The Funky Bunch. We're here for 2 hours every day. We have time for all of it. Jake the Snake. Marky Mark, man. So Velos, look, Velos could bang on him to the upside here. Velos could bang on him to the upside. Just watch it. I showed you that high-profile volume node there. Interesting on the VPVR. How do you add the VPVR? What is the VPVR? The volume profile visible range. However, look at this cool little trick that Jason Casper taught me. I was watching Jason Casper yesterday, 2 days ago. He taught me this cool trick. This gives you the volume range right like that. You just drag it out, and you can see it wherever you want it. I love it. Look, it's showing there's some definitely heavy buy and sell orders down here that kept a nice consolidated move. Very interesting. Please hit that like button. I'll be pumping weights soon. My man, I postponed my pump today till after the stream. Let's go. I've been pumping all my life. Look at the traps. No, I'm just look at the back, though. Look at the back. My back's so big, make my head look small. I'm like Rodney Robinson. I ain't got a neck. I got no neck over here. I ain't got a neck over here. Where's my neck? You see guys at the gym ain't got a neck? Yo, what's up, bro? You want to help me do some, hey, you want to, yo, what's up, bro? Can you spot me? Yo, what's up, bro? Can you spot me, bro? Long Island meatheads, man. You got to love it. Growing up in Queens. I loved it. I'm getting a pump later. Another W on ATB last night. Sweet. For the pump. For the win, baby. For the win. Original. Yeah, man. Fitzsimmons, I love you, bro. Shout out to Andrew Fitzsimmons in the game. Can you show how to do the volume on there again? Yeah. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th symbol on the left side of the screen when it's trading view. You're going to go down all the way to the bottom to the fixed range volume profile. You're going to grab that. All right. What you can do is you can also hit a star on it, and then it's going to become one of these in this keyboard. Look at this. See this quick keyboard shortcut? Anytime I go up here and I star anything, like bars pattern, it'll show up on my quick keyboard. If I take it off, it'll disappear. This is a quick way to get access to things you want quick, so you don't have to go through the menu every single time. All right? Then you can kind of drag this where you want it. However, I find this annoying, so I usually keep it right down here in this section. But look, you would grab, so basically you would grab this, and you would just, oops, sorry. You grab this, you would click where you want, drag all the way to the sections that you want it covered. It'll cover them all. All right? Looks like you could even, like, change it up a little bit. All right? We'll do it for Bitcoin as well. We'll do it a few times, but yeah, it's really nice. Shout out to Jason Casper. I was just, you know, I watch YouTubers and I pick up real quick. I'm like, oh, what did you just do? I pause the screen, I look at the thing, I'm like, I got that. And I add it to my repertoire. It takes me 1 second. Super chat, SHIB and GMT. Yeah, we got some super chats for Shiba, GMT, and some more. And I'm sorry, Lee, I was hard on you. I'm from Boston, man. I just don't do well with any opposition, you know? Super chat, SHIB. That is so cool. I super appreciate that. Anytime, Wendizzle. I love you. You're the best. Nice. Didn't know that's good stuff. Yeah, anytime, Michael Benitez. We'll teach you how to do what you got to do with the chats, with TradingView. I'm a TradingView beast. I've been using TradingView every single day for years and years of my life. So if anyone knows TradingView, it's me. And there's a lot of things I still don't know. Look at this that I started doing, though. Check this out. This is really cool. Right click, hit the settings. Rainer taught me this. One of my students taught me this. And you can hit, look, measured move. He even taught me how to, like, store this, but I don't know where he stores them. I think I could template it, right? But look, measured move. Look how cool this is. Hit OK, and look, now it says measured move on my measured move. It's so amazing, right? You could do bearish divergence, and you could call, you know, like, look, there's some hidden bullish. Swing up to swing up, but swing down to swing down on the RSI. You could right-click this. You could hit settings, go to text, and be like, hidden bull div, right? And then it says hidden bullish divergence right there. I think that's amazing. I think it's really cool. I don't know if, can I switch it to the bottom or the top? It's weird. Yeah, look at this. Top, center. I can switch it to the bottom. Look at that. Oh, my God. How beautiful is that? Hidden bullish. Labeled nicely for the students. Now, whenever we put out a chart, the students know what we're saying. It's such a beautiful thing. Rainer figured this out. Guy comes into my group 6-7 weeks ago, takes a couple courses. He takes the beginner's course 2 or 3 times, I think. He becomes an analyst, starts pumping out charts. I made him a lifetime deal. He took it. I did make him a lifetime deal. He took the deal. He paid for lifetime access to me. I'm telling you right now. And now he's a star analyst in the group, banging on him. I'm telling you right now, doing damage. And he taught me so much. He taught me this right here. And he's neat. He's organized. And you know what? You can learn from your students. And that's why I have tons of students, because my students teach me so much. When you teach everyone, when you teach hundreds of people in a you know, or thousands of people in a year, hundreds of people in a couple months, and you just keep meeting people, man, people teach you stuff. They teach you stuff about science. They teach me things about growth. They teach me things about medicine. They teach me things about herbs. So many people that are way more intelligent than me have come to me in a Zoom and like, listen to this. Yes, I've been adding those texts on some of mine. Yeah, I'm going to start adding them. They're so cool. And there's a template way you can do it where you can save it. Good morning, Sam. Shout out to Andrew Fitzsimmons, my man. Love you, brother. That's amazing. Yeah. Listening while door dashing. So tuning in and out, huh? Wish I could chat more. Hey, man, I door dashed before. I can say honestly that I door dashed. I did it for like 2 months, you know? One of the most dangerous jobs in America, door dashing. People don't realize it. No, I'm just going in. No, you're in the car all the time. People get hit at stop signs. People get hit at intersections. You're always out on the road. Any moment in time. So it's the most, or not the most, but one of the probably the top 10 most dangerous jobs in America is DoorDash. People don't realize that, right? Okay, so let's look at SHIB right now. I had an idea for SHIB right here. It has not been stopped out. It's still holding its own. Let's recreate the trade. Let's look at what's happening here for Shiba Inu. But I do like what's happening with SHIB. There's a lot of news coming out, and it's attached a little bit to this Twitter feud with Elon buying Twitter. You know, it's SHIB and Doge just seem to have a little bit of a pump with any time. SHIB is basically they're not truly connected, but in a way, it's a spawn of Doge, right? Like without Doge, SHIB wouldn't be here, right? You can say. So when Doge pumps, SHIB kind of runs a bit of a behind the scene move. You know, it's a little weird thing going on. I'm still watching SHIB closely here. Really no reason to exit the trade. 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, 7%. And what I like is there's a lot of chop in between it. Whenever you can get a 7% stop loss with multiple support and resistance in there, 1, 2, 3, usually you can only get 1. 2 is amazing. If you can get 3, it makes the trade more high probability, you know? However, this is kind of a descending triangle, I have to admit. It's a bit of a descending triangle, but I still am looking at Shiba Inu. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour wants to move to the upside for Shiba Inu. So I like what I'm seeing for SHIB. He goes to the right. He goes to the left. Tom Brady back to pass. 3rd down, 8 yards. It's to the right. It's up to Gronkowski. He catches it with one hand. He rolls over into the end zone. Touchdown, Buccaneers. I got it with 6 zeros. Hey, baby. I was one of the first people to know about SHIB. I knew SHIB on April 18th. Put it out to the trading group on April 18th of 2021. We were into SHIB over a year ago, which is insane. I never thought a meme coin could last a year. Pretty nuts. So this is what I see for SHIB, man. 4 hour wants to bang on him to the upside. Doing damage. The daily does have, daily's curving, but it has momentum. But it was curving. I didn't like what I saw there with the daily time frame. I kind of left, it's curving. But it doesn't mean it can't curve and pump. I've seen that lack of bearish momentum on the MACD does tell me that we're losing sellers. And look at the boom we had with the Twitter love. That was the Twitter love. Boom. Huge pump for Shiba Inu. That candle alone was let's take a look. If we sit on that candle, that was a 21% candle in a day for SHIB. Not too bad. Bought Doge in the summer of 2019. Hey, that's pretty good. Good for you, man. Doge. BC about to run it up. Looking at a 3X. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin Cash. I'll be honest. You're not the first one to kind of come in and be like, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash. It used to pump when Bitcoin pumps. No one's talked about it in a long time. Roger Ver used to run the circuit. Used to hear about it every other week. It was on all the channels. Everyone went over Bitcoin Cash all the time. Was it the real Bitcoin? What's going down? Can we get the likes up to the watchers? 50 people not hitting that like button. 241 likes. 292 people on the live stream. Can we careen back to the 400 people we had on the live every single day for the last few weeks? Let's get it. We just won BitBoy, the second biggest channel in all of the interwebs and cryptocurrency. Like, we're there every single week, baby. Come on. Let's get it going. Top analyst in the game, and it's been recognized by people all around the crypto space. I got so many haters. The people that think they're nice hate on me. You know the other hate. You know the other guy. They look at this guy like, who is this new guy with this cup and handle? Wow, it's crazy. My YouTube's only saying 63 likes today. 254 likes. That's crazy. Refresh. See if it comes out. Oh, you did Kishnu Inu with Shiba. I forgot all about Kishnu. Gave me ex-girlfriend a 5X like. Yeah, we did Kishnu Inu too. I'm just steady trying to make my way. Jimmy Phillips. My man Jimmy. Love you, Jimmy. Stay tuned for more, Jimmy. Bing bong, Frankie. Yep. Refresh. Back to 263. We all good. Yeah. Sometimes it does that. I like that you're on it, though. I like that you're on it, Dustin. You're like, hey. Don't make me write a letter over here. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. We keep the energy up because I'm so happy to be alive every single day that I'm here. Laying this smackdown with the cup and handles left and right. CJ, you're the man, dude. Much love, brother. Great show. Shout out to Kino. Thank you. Let's look at GMT coming on in. GMT. Honestly, talking is helping me from getting more nauseous. As long as I keep talking, I'm able to stay kind of in, doing what I'm doing. It's not easy, though. Not easy. IOI is also on my radar. IOI's been on my radar. I want to talk about it. It looks beautiful in this ascending triangle. It's also getting pushed by token metrics. I could see this thing going up 34%. Don't forget about IOI. Okay, babe. Don't forget about IOI. Write it down, please. Put it on your whiteboard. Do your research. Stay in tune. I do this every single day for a reason, without a day off, without fail, because you got to stay consistent. Crypto, if you're not consistent with crypto, crypto will eat you alive. You take a couple days off, next thing you know, you're not in the same zone. You don't got the same feel. You don't got the same vibe. It's over, I just kind of can't explain it, but crypto just got, because that 24/7 thing about crypto just never stops. So we can't stop. Look, I really like Trias. I've been talking about Trias. It's got higher lows now. Look at this. Let's break it down. Trias been hot, okay? Highly likely to make a big move. Hey, you're going to sit here and then a couple weeks from now, you're going to look at Trias and be like, man, that thing just banged on him. And, yeah, it's already actually a little bit up from entry. Let me reposition this poll. That's way too long. I wonder what I'm doing there. I must have been doing cup and handles. It is a cup and handle like, but I just want to play the poll. Length of this poll. Let's bring that down. But Trias looks beautiful. I didn't even know I was going to go over Trias today, but now that I've tripped over it and put it into this beautiful, you know, bull pennant. It could almost be a bull pennant descending triangle. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Bang, like that. Funny, I see that dude, Gareth Soloway. He's been getting so much play all over the internet. I honestly don't think, like, I think he's a good analyst, but I don't think he's better than me. You know, and I'm seeing him on Kitco. I'm seeing him. So that's telling me, you know, a year from now, I'm going to be on these big channels. I'm going to get on Kitco. I'm going to get on Stansberry Research. I want to get on all the big investment channels, talking about gold, talking about world markets, breaking it down. I can't wait, man. We're going to become we're going to become the next financiers of the world. Whoever rocks with me, we're going to create hedge funds. We're going to do it all. I'm telling you right now, we're going to make big moves, big waves in the game. The crypto lifers, people are going to know who we are by the end of this run. The whole world's going to know our name. The whole world is going to know who the lifers are. I'm telling you right now, the entire world is going to know. Beat the chest like a silverback gorilla, baby. He good, but not the lifer, baby. I want to do some bottle digging. Gina Bombina. Gareth have been preaching 20K out of this bear flag for a while now. Beautiful day today in Montreal. Walk in the woods, anyone. It is a beautiful day. The chart's got no resistance after 0004. People saying to hit 80 cents to $1. XEC. We'll take a look at XEC. CJ Baker, my man. Hope you're doing all right, CJ. We love you, man. Look, you got no profanity today, bro. You can do it. We knew you could do it, CJ. We knew you could do it, you know. Trias on my radar. I like what I'm seeing for Trias. Banging on him to the upside. I would watch Trias very, very closely. A premier coin, great team, and a lot of money back in it at $6 could be the bottom. Wants to go all the way to 9. Nice 50% gain coming out of Trias. And Trias is on the beautiful and lovely KuCoin. Okay? Open up. Use the referral link in my description below. Open up a KuCoin today. Get yourself ready to go. Get yourself familiarized with the best, most globalized exchange in the world. Jump into KuCoin today. 287 likes, 294 people on the live. Thank you so much. And let's keep it moving with the super chats. I'm going to jump into GMT. Let's look at KuCoin here. Just give the people what they want. Why are you asking so much? Just give them what they want. I just keep saying, it just makes me laugh, man. Like, go tell somebody who cares, my dude. Like, you know? Jeez, like. So look, 200-day moving average moving through the bottom of the pattern, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. I believe that was a push-up. I don't include that in the movement, right? GMT looks like it's going to blast to the upside. I like what I'm seeing here. If the 4-hour and the daily kind of have momentum, and 4-hour doesn't have what I want it to have, though. It's a little high. However, I have seen massive momentum bust out, even when the 4-hour is just below the dotted line. Lack of bearish momentum, we could get a move here. We could get a move. All eyes on the 1 hour, though. It's all about the 1 hour. So let's take a look at the 1 hour, right? What's up with this 1 hour? I like this parallel movement of the 21-day moving average. Tight moving averages. Very, very tight. You know, we could get explosive. Look at the 15-minute. 15 minutes low. I'm liking this right now for a possible entry at the very moment. At the very moment. Yeah, I like this. I'm actually building a position in this. I've been buying $500 at a time. I've been building a position in this coin little by little. And, you know, it's been defying gravity compared to the rest of the market. So GMT is a hot item. Definitely something to look at. It's called stepping. Okay? Look at that. A nice 51% gains coming as well. It's got some chop to protect the stop. I like what I'm seeing. I want to be extra precautious. It would be this level here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say or should be taken as financial advice. Is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Okay? Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence for getting into any project, coin, or trade. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. You will get more setups on this live stream than any other live stream you've ever been on. You'll learn more than any other live stream you've ever been on. You will see more, you'll hear more, and you'll be entertained more. You'll be motivated, you'll be kept lively, you'll see a guy with an insane energy and insane positivity, and you will be turned into a lifer within the next week if you just joined today. I'm telling you right now, people get infectious, people love this channel, then your positivity grows, and then we all grow. We become the fastest, most amazing, most inspired channel here in the entire interwebs. And I'm telling you, I feel it. I know you feel it. And we're on our way. 25,000 subs, on our way to 100K. Let's make it real, baby. We can do it. And it all started with a dream in the mind of a man, right? A logo, a dream, and a goal. And then you start every day. And just as you saw my channel grow, so all things grow in life. If you feed it, if you love it, if you stay dedicated. It's the 3 Ds, desire, dedication, and discipline. If you can keep those going. First, I had the desire. Honestly, I'll tell you right now, I watched Mitch Ray getting money thrown at him one day. I'm sitting at home or at work, I think, and I'm watching Mitch Ray, and I'm like, man, I want a super chat. It's like, I should have super chat. Like, that's amazing. I'm like, how is he doing that? Then I learned TA. Then I'm like, oh, I got to learn TA. And then it was a long, like 5-6 year process to get here. Took me 6 years basically. And I've been trading for 15 years on and off, you know, all different types of markets. So, and for everyone else too, I want everyone to know I was trading gold and silver on the Toronto Stock Exchange for well over 5 years before I even found Bitcoin. So I had been trading well before I even touched cryptocurrency. So like, I love Crypto Jeb and he's a great dude, but he started trading in 2017. Like, I started trading well, like around right after 2001. I started buying gold and silver, you know, little after 9/11. I'm thinking like, what's going on here? Like, what is going on here? You know, by 25 years old, I start my first trade. I'm 39. I turned 39 last week. So jump on in. And I've been through so many trades in my life. I have pressed the buy button over 10,000 times. Like, I can't even tell you. I used to give my accountant pages. I'm talking a book. I would trade a book this big. No lie. I would, one day I looked at it like, dude, I went through my trades in one time in like a 4-month period. I was over trading, you know, that's kind of a beginner mistake, but dude, there would be books literally this thick. I'm not lying. In 1 year, I would have this thick, like 7 trades a day, 2,000 trades a year. It was absolutely insane. Insanity. So, and that was just one of the years. Many years I've done that. I have thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of trades under my belt and thousands of markets. I've traded the gold on Toronto Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, the stock market, you know, KuCoin, Binance. I started on Bittrex in 2017, banging on them. Vertcoin, I was playing. I know a lot of the coins by heart, by head, by memory. Almost all the coins from 2017, up to 1,000 coins in my head at any given moment. Like, I can just think of a coin and I'm like, ooh, that's interesting. Look, a new coin just came up on KuCoin too today. This is brand new. I'm looking at it. It's called NYM. I have no idea what it is. I just know that it's new on KuCoin. Also, if you're in my trading group, you get access to so much awesome information. Right now, we have exchange announcements. We know when every single coin is getting added to an exchange. Look, NYM got added to Bitmart, KuCoin. Like, this thing's been making a move. And Huobi, and like, it got added to a bunch of places today. Look, Melon got added to Bitmart. That's a big deal. When you see things, then we see the new coins that are coming into KuCoin. Look, KuCoin. And then you can see also APR up 20% for these coins. That might make people want to buy them more. That might pump the price. Luna, Dot, Matic, Atom, and TRX. See? Get into then we have also the whale alerts, and we show you who's moving money where and what's going on. And this is awesome. This is a MEE6 bot integrated inside of our, look, this whale just moved $125 million from Binance to an unknown wallet. Like, why is he taking Tether? Is he going to buy? He's going to buy it. He's probably going to KuCoin with that money. He left, you know, but a whale just took $125 million in cash, right? Look at this. 605 Bitcoin have been transferred from Coinbase to an unknown wallet. He's taking them off the exchange. Okay? What's going on here? Also, if you join my Discord, I give you back-end information about on-chain data. Like, let me show you what happened today. Look, I've been up since 6 a.m. working. Like, since 6 a.m. I've been in here just grinding. But look at this. This is the biggest whale in the game. Look at this. He was selling. Look, he sold 1,500 here. He sold 1,500 here. He basically accumulated down to 36, and then he sold at 44 and 47. I was a little scared there. Then he sold 3,000 Bitcoin right there, right, at 46,000. I was like, is he bailing on us? But look, then he runs back, and he buys those 3,000 Bitcoin back on 4.5. He buys them right back for 46,000, letting him think maybe he didn't, you know, he knew something, right? Now look at this. Now we scap to the future here. This is 414. Look, he's buying 110 on the 8th. He's buying 75. He's buying 143. He's buying 138. He's buying 417. Hold on, let's turn this into a shout out to everybody here on the live. Hi, I'm the cryptolifer. Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, financer. Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, cryptolifer. I have a YouTube channel and I'm all over the social medias and everywhere. Check this out. I have a great informational video I want to show you. I want to show you where whales are accumulating. I have information, I have data where I can see where the biggest whale is buying cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, the biggest holder of Bitcoin in the world. And I looked at this recently. Now, yes, I got a little scared. Last week, between 325 and 4.4, he was offloading a lot of the Bitcoin that he would bought earlier around 36,000. He was selling 1,500 Bitcoin here on 325. He was selling $1,500. This is not $1,500. That's 1,500 Bitcoins. We're talking big money, like $121 million. Like, this is big money. Oh, no, 5.6 billion. Yeah, 5.6 billion? Is he selling? Like, I don't want to do the math right now, but he's $5.6 million. Might be $1 billion, but this guy's insane. Anyway, then right here, now let's redo the video. Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, cryptolifer. Today, I want to show you on-chain data. Yes, when you trade cryptocurrency, you can see where the money's flowing behind the scenes in on-chain analysis. Right here, I want to show you the wallet of the biggest crypto holder. He was offloading Bitcoin. On 325, he offloaded 1,500 Bitcoin. Look at that. This is a substantial amount of money. Here again, on 4/1, April Fool's Day, he offloaded another 1,500. Then on 4/4, he offloaded 3,000 Bitcoins. That's insanity, right? But then on the 5th, he would go back and gobble back 2,952 Bitcoins. And as I fast forward to today, and I see what's happening from 4/8 to 4/14, I see that from 4/13 to now, 138, 417, 128, and 500 Bitcoin today alone. On April 15th, he bought 500 Bitcoins. To me, that's substantial. That's a big deal. This is why I'd rather trade cryptocurrency than the stock market. In the stock market, you're unable to see on-chain data. This is why I also don't believe a lot of the fear and the FUD that gets pushed out. If this much money is flowing into Bitcoin, if these whales are buying Bitcoin at this amount, look, he bought 4,000 Bitcoins basically in the last week. That's substantial. That's a big deal. That's big information. If you like this type of information, I'm posting this in my Discord, in my trading group. That's $99 a month. You would love it. You would love all this type of information. Also, all the charts. I have a group of analysts. I also have a trading library. So much there to help you. A learning library. So much. Do your technical analysis in there for people to help you. I also have videos and everything you need in my Discord. Check it out. I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. I have links to everything, referrals and tutoring, everything that I do. I do tutoring. I also go live 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Check me out. But this on-chain data was amazing, wasn't it? I'll see you in the next cool clip. Peace. I will get that extracted. Second, Wendizzle request. Would love to see the desk set up, your favorite equipment, and why. Interesting. Interesting. Everyone wants to know. Shida Network. Let's take a look. Look, this is brand new. I just want to put this out here. Brand new on KuCoin. I'm usually pretty risk adverse. I usually don't jump into these brand new coins on KuCoin. You know, because it's risky. You don't know what's going to happen. But, it's starting to make a higher low there. You see this? Made its first higher low there, getting into a tight pennant. Almost in a descending triangle, though. Interesting. We'll see. Kind of it pumped, and then it crashed. How much did it pump? From when I first looked at it, looks like it got about 12%, came back down. But, I just want to put it on your radar. NMY, brand new coin on KuCoin. You never know. You could see it up here, 72% in a few hours. You never, ever know. But it is high risk, high reward. Maybe it's double bottoming here, though. I like to see this. This is a bit of a double bottom and a bottom. So we'll see what happens. It is in a falling wedge right here that could break up 68% of the time, this falling wedge right here. So we shall see. We shall see. But I'm watching NMY, brand new coin on KuCoin. I'm also watching Stargate, STG hot. GMT is also on my radar. I really like what I'm seeing for GMT. All right. Also, if you're in my trading group and you can't watch the live, every single day I'm posting to the group while I'm live. So if you can't get the live and you're at work right now, your phone's still going off with alerts. You're still seeing what we're going. You're still kind of in tune with the trading group. Like GMT just got posted there at 10:20. So you're still got it. You're still with us. You're still part of the stream. You're part of the movement. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. 328 concurrent viewers. I love it. 311 likes. You people are amazing. We got to 500 likes yesterday. Can we get the likes up to the viewers? I would greatly appreciate it. All right, what else in the super chats here? We see some more super chats coming on in. I mean, my setup is a Canon 80D. Pretty simple. Canon 80D, right? For the lens. Get yourself like a $2,000 lens. I mean, it's an expensive lens. Sorry to say, but, $2,000 Canon lens. You know what I'm saying? You can get a $600 lens, though. That's acceptable, right? So get a really good lens. That way you're going to look amazing on camera. The SMB7 microphone, right? The Rodecaster Pro mixer, okay? I built my computer from the ground up with 30 or 132 gigs of RAM, whatever makes sense, you know. Yeah, 132 gigabytes of RAM, 2 graphics cards, you know, a solid state drive. Like, the thing is 4 years old and it's still just unreal. Like, it can't be beat. Like, there's nothing like it. Great job on Around the Blockchain yesterday. I'm so proud. You are my teacher. Jay Redman, I love you. Thank you. You always bring me hope and straight. We are lucky to have you. Shout out to Cedric the Legend, my man. Lifer's Beginner's course is stunning. Lifer is a calm, focused teacher and shares his years of experience in the 2 hours. He teaches his TA style from A to Z, the foundation and the first step to every lifer. Thank you for saying that. At 40K, Bitcoin is cheap. I agree. Super Chats, audio, XRP on the 1 hour, CRO and the Shiden network. Let's go take a look at audio. Let's take a look at audio real quick. Shout out to everybody here. Thank you for jumping on in. Music time. I'm just that energetic guy, impulsive, always have something in my mind that I want to do, always quick to just bug out, you know. When you got the energy, you got the feel, you got that love and passion for life, you know. Look at this. I like whoever you are that just brought this up. I think you know what I like to see. The 200-day moving average is moving through the bottom of the pattern. It's a beautiful sign. It's definitely a catalyst for a break to the upside. I like what you're putting down there for audio. Audio is also a really good project. Anytime it's below 2 beans, I believe, $1.50, thing is a steal, you know. So this is highly likely to make a bit of a move here to the upside. Probably even maybe not too long from now. 50-minute has momentum. 4 hour, they're all kind of moving on you. Let's take a look at the daily. Even the daily's ready to rock with more momentum. Even after it had these, it had 3-4 days of pump and the daily's still low. That's very rare. That's very rare. That shows heavy momentum for this. Show me the charts and I'll show you the news. Something is brewing for this. Something is a brewing for this. This looks hot to trot. And again, everyone, the last week was horrible. Why? Because Bitcoin was trending down on the daily. Can't trend alts. You can't trade alts well when Bitcoin's trending down on the daily. It's just tough. I know you're all super busy now. In the future, would it be possible to have a Discord section specifically on a computer equipment? Trading settings, pics of pimp trading equipment setups, monitors, etc. My thing is this. I get it, but like, I mean, I guess. I mean, the Discord could just go. I mean, we could expand it to the end of time, I guess. But when do we stop? Like, when do we just stop? Like, do we also put on, like, what socks Rodney wear that day? Like, you know, I get it, though. Like, what setups, like, who's trading how? I mean, my thing is this, just get a bunch of monitors. I have 6 monitors. Like, once you have 6 monitors, like, you can't go wrong. 4 monitors is really all you need. 2 monitors is decent, honestly. But it's nice to have it because when you're trading, we're all scatterbrained. Like, we all can't remember a lot all at once. So when you have all the screens up at once, like, it's just like a slap in the face again. You're like, all right, yeah, there's Bitcoin. And it's nice to have a Bitcoin monitor at all times. It's nice to have a Bitcoin monitor at all times. Everybody, I'm giving away, you know, we're doing a in-group give back, you know, to the group. It's going to be like $1,000 and $1,000 USD and XRP, which I think is amazing considering like what's happening with XRP. That could end up being life-changing for somebody, okay? So life-changing. We're also be giving away a monitor, a 27-inch monitor, price of between like $200 and $300. That's going to be your Bitcoin monitor, right? And then we're also giving away 3 months in the trading group. 3 months in the trading group. That's an entire package for the winner. How do you win? How do you become someone that's, you know, one of the winners? Well, let me show you right now. We're having a video testimonial course contest, basically. You know, if you have been helped by me, if so, you know, you really like things have changed, I've changed your life. Hit this link right here. Hit this link right here. Send in a video testimonial. I'm telling you right now. All right? Send in a video testimonial right there. We'd greatly appreciate it. Sammy, my 8th grade teacher was named James Price. That's so awesome, man. That's my dad's name. You'll get infinitely more value out of the trading group if you take the beginner's course first. Dustin Cava, my man, breaking it down. We do a beginner's course every Tuesday from 3 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. If you want to jump on into that beginner's course, jump on in. Again, let's get it back into the charts, though. So audio looking nice to me. I like what I'm seeing for audio for a move to the upside. Definitely something to write down and keep on the radar. Audio. And honestly, we're back to a kind of more opportunities, more charts brewing. It's looking different, right? We're starting to kind of, and we're seeing the low Stokes on the daily for Bitcoin. Can we get another run up for some alts? Can we have some fun swing trading alts while Bitcoin resets back to the upside? Whereabouts are you in the USA? In the bean, man. Video testimonials are considered securities. Gary Gensler, man. You're funny, man. You just like gave me a heart attack though too. As I read it, I was like, whoa, am I doing something wrong? You never know, man. Straight up, like. This is the beat. Throw them bowls. We gon' throw them bowls. I'm just having fun, everybody. Don't judge me. And if you're judging me, then judge yourself. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Please, ORE, is it dead or is it a matter of time? It's interesting for you to ask. Let's take a look at it. I'll be honest, they do the ORE hour every day, every week, right? They're every single Wednesday. They never stop. The team isn't going to give up on ORE. They've been around a long, long time. But a $2.8 million market cap. I mean, they were at a 30 million. And we found them when they were at $1 million. So they're kind of right where we found them at now, which is kind of sad. They're back to like a gem of low cap gem. You know, you would have liked they at least kept their $10 million market cap, but no, they got sold to the ground. Let's take a look at them right now. I love the team. I have to be honest. Like, I have to be dead honest with my instincts. Like, I don't know. I don't feel great about it. I have to be honest. Like, I don't. And I know the team probably doesn't want me saying that. They're like, I believe they're going to. That's actually not true because I believe in the guys that are. Honestly, here we go. The TA looks horrible. If I didn't know this project, the TA looks absolutely horrible. However, look, there's your bottom. And it's making a round bottom. Well, what if one day, this is how it looks? And already somewhere up in here. And these are just tiny growing pains. All right? And we end up somewhere up in here. So there's a possibility. I hold huge bags of it. I just want everyone to know. Like, I hold a lot of it. So I never got rid of it. I'm willing to hold it till 0 or see what happens to it. It's got a rounded bottom. Well, we want it to eventually make the cup and handle. So we'll be waiting on this day for the cup and handle. Like, and then it can maybe make its way on out, you know? So this is what I project for ORE, and you know, and that's good. That's like 2 months coming, and then we're not even there yet. But there's a chance to say, I love the team. I love the team, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Michael Pa, man. Again, babe. Again. Michael! That's it, Michael. Freaking throwing my shirt off or something. Taking off my shirt. That's it. $500. This is crazy, man. Like, this is crazy. Like, on a Friday, like, yo, Michael Pa. Michael Pa. How are you doing this to me? This is insane. Wow, Jesus, man. $500 super chat from Michael Pa. Sharing the joy, man. Yo, you're the man, dude. Awesome week. Sharing the joy. Shout out to Michael Pa, man. Dude, you just took all the sickness right out of me. Like, damn. I guess, hey, if you're sick, have someone throw you $500. You may just feel better. Unbelievable, man. You're the man, dude. You're the man, dude. More than my weekly paycheck. LOL. Multiple times a week, too. Like, it's just crazy, bro. Like, you need to get into the tanning booth, bro. That was awesome, Mike. More than a weekly paycheck. Unbelievable. Bang, bang, bang. Dude, I had to do something different there. I had to do something different. Unreal. Unreal. Let's keep it moving, though. We got some super chats coming. Michael Pa for the $500. Let's replay that. Let's replay that on that screen. Let's get that going again. Watch it drop. Watch it drop. Watch it drop. Let's wait to drop. I want to see it drop. Boom. Look at that. Pop, pop, pop. Thank you for moving my balls around. Appreciate that. Love when people move my balls. Bro, Michael, please come on a live stream with Sam and tell us what you do, bro. Thank you. Yeah, everyone wants to know you, man. Michael Pa is the lifer sugar daddy. He likes to see your emotions, man. Get some natural sun. No tanning booth. But hey, us Irish boys don't get tan. We get whiter, man. Banging on them. LOL. Rolling on the floor laughing. Michael Pa. It's the Michael Pa show, everybody. It's the Michael Pa show. XRP on the 1 hour. Crow. Shiden Network and ORE. So we took care of ORE. I love you guys. Actually, you know what? I believe in the team and I believe in the people behind it. They're not going to give up. So if they're not going to give up, it's only a matter of time till ORE can make a move. So if I had to look at this chart and I didn't know that, I have to say the chart is horrible. Horrible. But I believe in Armando. I believe in the team. I really do. I honestly do. I wouldn't say that if I didn't. I want everyone to know that. Like, with all my heart and soul. Like, and I don't say, how many projects do you say I really true? Like, I don't know a lot of the people that created a lot of projects, but I know them. And I believe in them. And I believe we can do numbers with ORE. So, yeah. But again, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. And let's hope that we're finding a rounded bottom here. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. Hopefully we can round our way up to the upside. I'll kill that beat hard. Mark Whitfield, my man. It's a good beat, right? Okay, I just had those super chats. I just had them out. I know it's XRP in the 1 hour. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP actually looked pretty bullish today. You can see it was one of the premier coins that was pumping. I mean, this SEC case is getting ugly. They're looking corrupt. Did someone say the U.S. government is calling the SEC corrupt now? Like, I don't know, man. It seems like, is the government turning on the SEC? Seems like something's going on. Like, you know what? This is what happens. Because they're all unified together, right? But then they see that one government agency made a huge mistake that they don't want to be a part of. So they throw that agency under the bus, right? So, like, you know, that's kind of what this agency's been doing. Like, they just keep throwing people under the bus. So that looks like kind of what they do. No one really takes responsibility for anything in this, yeah, this is like the worst, right? You guys know it. Anyway, I won't even get into it, but I just never seen a more irresponsible cabinet in my entire life. It's just so weird. Anyway, just don't seem to handle anything correctly. You know, it's like, it's really strange. Anyway, so XRP, I mean, what's going down? I mean, this is tightness. This is beautiful. Now, you asked for it on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at it on the 1 hour. 1 hour suggests that it's about to make a bit of a move here. It's funny that you asked that. Look at the flag on the 1 hour. I think this is why you asked. You're like, I believe I saw a flag. I think you were 100% correct, my friend. So you see a flag here on the 1 hour. I see a flag here on the 1 hour. Moving averages, 21 just crossing the 200. That's when things start to brew. We're about to make a move. If the 50-minute is low and swinging, I mean, yes, baby, yes. Nice scalp for XRP today. I'm calling a scalp on XRP on the 15-minute here. Thank you so much for the super chat. You're a blessing. What a lovely person you are. All the way up here to 11% gains. 11% gains. Dude, how could I be upset? I won blockchain last night, right? Michael Paul threw me, I think, 2 or 3 $500 super chats in a week, right? Multiple people joined the trading group. The Discord is going well. We moved to Discord successfully, right? We got more trades going up. The charts are looking way better today. We're seeing some movement. Might have a nice weekend of movement here. The 4 hours about to pump for Bitcoin, right? The daily looks good for Bitcoin. You know what? Today's okay. Yes, we have some other things on, in the further away time frames that we have to look at. We can't be moon boys 110%. But for today, right now, at this one moment in time, it's going to be 70 degrees here on the East Coast. It's a beautiful day. The birds are chirping. The flowers are blooming. The frogs are beginning to ribbit, and the whole world is coming out, and the spring is blooming. I'm super excited to be alive. Spring and summer are my favorite times to be alive. That's why I named my daughter Summer, because I absolutely love the summertime. It's my favorite time to be alive. Bitcoin short looked perfect. MMM said no. It's going to go back in the pattern, though. I told you not to short Bitcoin. I'm actually at work. Shh. I mean, you don't short Bitcoin when the 15-minute is moving to the upside. I've been teaching everybody this. Like, you don't short Bitcoin when the 15-minute wants to pump. Like, we suggested this. If you watch my channel, look, I called this pump. We just got a beautiful pump for Bitcoin up to 40,800, baby. And Bitcoin just pumped. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang for Bitcoin. We got the move. Look at it. If you're in my trading group, basically told you this was going to happen. Pretty obvious. Look, this is the last chart I posted before I went live. Right here. Expect this to happen. Right? Expect Bitcoin to bounce off 40,000 up to 40,500 or even more. This is what I said. I said, expect this to happen. It says it right there. It says it right there. Why is this not? Oh, yeah, I hit the link. But look, if you look at the Discord, expect this to happen next for Bitcoin. You could have leverage traded that. Anyone, like, I'm telling you right now, I'm very, very accurate at where Bitcoin's going to go, even in the smaller time frames. Let me look at what chart did I have on when I did that. What chart did I have on? I have the KuCoin chart. All right. So let's go to BTC on KuCoin. All right. So again, we nailed it this morning. We nailed it. Look, we nailed it. We nailed it. We told you this was going to happen. They brought it down for the wick. Look, they got everybody on the wick. A bunch of nasty, a bunch of scumbags. Look at what they did. This is the market maker. This is what he does. So he wicks down to get everybody that's got everyone longs right here because it looks nice at the 15. He wicks you on the last hump, right? He gets you down. See, I like to long into the wick. So that wick I would have longed to. I wish I had seen that and been watching Bitcoin. Probably would have suggested a pump right there and a price action. But I already did suggest that we would move to the upside based on the 15-minute being low. Bang, bang, bang. Look at Bitcoin did spiked, right? Then they got all the longs. And then they got the shorters to short. And now it's looking like we're going to come back down to the bottom of the pattern. Like so. See this? Come back down. And this is kind of how I had it planned out at 6 in the morning. It's exactly what I thought was going to happen at 6 a.m. And it happened exactly that way. Boom, boom, boom. Now Bitcoin's going to reset back on the 15-minute. This is more likely again. And then we got to get through this 1 hour. I want to see the 1 hour reset and end up right there and not break this trend line. However, this is a rising wedge. The 1 hour could make its way all the way back down to 39,600. So we got to watch closely right now. And look at that crazy candle on the 1 hour. What an insane candle. I've almost never seen a candle with such wicks on either side with a thick green in the middle. That's an anomalistic candle. Because normally when you see it like this, it ends up more like a doji. Like you get a smaller green in the middle. The fact that it goes up and down the way it does, that's insane. You know? Muscat is starting to get attention from the cult DAO holders. Cult. Interesting. Cult is kind of on the radar. We went over it last night. We'll talk about it again. Bang, bang, bang. XRP jumped last night out of nowhere. Maybe blocked by the bot. Super Chats, Crow, and Shiden Network. So there's Bitcoin making a move. Let's jump back into the alts. Let's jump out into Shiden Network. We talked about a lot of different setups today. A lot of setups have been posted in the Discord. Enough for today almost. I feel like we got enough on our plates to look at. Let's take a look at Shiden. We called Shiden earlier for a beautiful pump. We nailed it. Let's see what's happening with Shiden now. I'm going to delete all my work. I'm going to go to the daily. I'm going to show you what you do. The first thing you do when you see a chart, the most responsible thing, I believe, is to make support and resistance. Okay? Make support and resistance. What we can also do is we could pull a Fibonacci from this impulse. We're at the 0.5. We may go to the 0.618. These are possibilities. The daily is resetting for a move, though. The daily is resetting for a move. Okay? And shout out to Garrick Soloway, man. He's a nice guy. He's a really nice guy. Had a really good time whenever I did the show with him. Really nice dude, man. Would love to have him on the channel and just kind of go at it together, TA-wise, and just kind of like spin it and win it. And I'll learn from him. I'm open-minded. I can learn from everybody. Everyone has a slightly different approach, different look. And we can all learn from each other for sure. For some reason, my fib levels, they don't like to move like they're supposed to. Alt-F is your fib shortcut if you need to shortcut quickly. And I'll just extend the line here so I can know. But there's our golden pocket right there. Maybe we come to the golden poquito. You never know. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Does it suggest more downside? A double bottom, possibly. A double. Kind of felt like we broke the pattern already, but we can keep it in it for now. Go. Shoulder head into shoulder there is possible. Kind of dumped. So the 1 hour wants to move. So what we see here is, let's zoom into the 1 hour. And see, I assess very, very detailed because I don't want to miss. I don't like to lose trades. I like to win most of my trades. And to do that, you have to be very diligent. All right? Constantly on the watch. Short-term target is just the length of this pole. I'm not trying to go too crazy here. Yes, there's your long-term if you make it out, but I mean, there's 54% gains coming in below the golden pocket with a 16 or 17% stop, 14% stop loss. That's pretty interesting. So you got the golden poquito, right? Like right now I want to move. I should be able to move the stove. Yeah, there we go. The other day I couldn't do it. I'm like, what's going on? And that right there, you can use the call out. I like using call out, right? And you could point right here and just be like golden pocket. That's your Fibonacci golden pocket right there. All right. Golden pocket on the fib though. All right. So Shiden, it may break out. It may go to the golden pocket. Stop loss below the golden poquito. Wait, let me stop changing that. There we go. I'll make it a little lower, 69, all right? But that's a 3.24 risk-reward ratio. Still going to play out for me personally. So I like what I'm seeing here for Shiden. It is on the radar. It's not the best. I think there's better trades out there today, right? But I do like Shiden right now. I do like Shiden. So Bitcoin pumped as we projected in the trading group. Bang, bang, bang. They did get the stop out on you, though. That's why you look for the stop hunts first and then long into the scary wick. If you long in while they're wicking everybody out, it's the most beautiful thing you can do. You know? Oh, let me actually edit this. Sorry. That doesn't belong there. I am feeling a little better already. I'm feeling a little better. I think it was the $500. I don't know, though. You tell me. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Like, I just rented a mansion for my family. Cost like $3,000. You know what I'm saying? For about 5 or 6 days. We all split it. I'll be honest. We split it. But, like, Michael, you just paid for it, man. Like, I don't even have to pay for it now. Like, I get to go stay in a mansion because Michael Pa. You're the man, dude. Thank you. That's why you should follow your dreams, everybody. Follow your dreams because you never know where they're going to take you. They might take you to a place you never even dreamed. Ha, ha, ha. And then you just accept living in a dream. You're like, yeah, my life's just not normal because I dreamed this up. I don't live in the life other people. I dreamed this up. Happy was banging on him. I actually looked at it last night. It did bang on him. SWINGBY. We were trying to trade SWINGBY, but it didn't do our thing. We got stopped out for 7%. Not a bad stop out, actually. Actually, looks like it may want to make another move here. I'd watch SWINGBY in this tight action. Market's actually looking pretty nice. Let's take a look at total. Let's take a look at the entire. Let's take a look at the good information we need now, like the show. Audio making the move. Let's take a look at audio. Audio looked very bullish to me. I really liked what I saw for audio. Woo, there it is. There it is, baby. And audio banging on them, making a move, pumping out, up 2.3%. There you have it. That's why people watch the channel. I'm telling you, man. We'll go over a coin. You'll see it popping. Okay, let's take a look at BTC. We make gains live on this channel, like live. Okay. I want to take a look at total market cap of all of cryptocurrency. You need to be looking at it every day. The total market cap of all of cryptocurrency. You must look at it every day. And what it's doing is it's making a higher low, in my humble opinion. Like, I'm going to bring this trend line up now. Oh, it's a long trend, though. Yeah. So I guess I could say we have to come lower, possibly. But right now, let's see where we're at. We're holding the $1.8 trillion level, and we bounced, and we're now at 1.85. It's a beautiful thing. So we got rejected. Look, we came up, we got rejected. Came up, then we got rejected by 1.9, right? Came back, got rejected by 1.82. Bounced off 1.65. Came back to the 1.82. Had a little issue, but used it as a huge catalyst bounce to break all the way to 2 trillion. 2.1, I couldn't believe it. Then we lost all the trillions, fell through the support. Now it's like we had a hold. Like, bulls need to hold the $1.82 trillion level. You see how important it is there? We are holding it, hoping that that will become our secondary higher low and we can make a move out of this to the upside. Also kind of formed this funny channel. I never really looked at it like this, and you don't have to either, but just something to think about. I want to see this total market cap not go below this level. The daily is about to pump to the upside. The 2-week looks absolutely beautiful. The weekly is the only worrisome chart here, you know, and we already kind of started a bit of a break to the downside. Could the weekly take us to the downside? I'm going to get through the daily first, and then we're going to see where we're going. Also, the daily is in a falling wedge on the total market cap. It's already slightly trying to break out and has a measured move of the length of the pole, which is pretty big, right? To about $2.36 trillion. That's kind of a cup and handle too as well. That would be lovely. Let's see if the daily can produce some gains. Let's see if the daily can produce some gains, all right? That's the total market cap of all of cryptocurrency. This is the total market cap of all of the altcoins. It excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is total 3 instead of total 3. This is $717 billion. Now you can see we had resistance here at 693. Resistance there, basically the 700 region. We've used it as a bounce right now. I don't want to see the alts go below $700 billion. The daily suggests that we will get a massive pump. We also have swing up to swing up and swing down to swing down. We have hidden bullish divergence. Where do we go? Well, we could get all the way up here to $900 billion, $200 billion coming into the alts in the next few days. in the next few weeks. That could be absolutely lovely for all of us. So I like what I'm seeing on the daily time frame for these coins. Now, this is Bitcoin dominance, and we've been suggesting that the daily is forming in a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern to the downside. Also, look at dominance wants to dump. If this happens, alts are going to soar. This could be setting up for a massive alt rally. So right there, it's looking good on the daily. So you can see Bitcoin wants to pump on the daily. Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin can pump while Bitcoin dominance dumps. I've seen that. That means Bitcoin pumps up hard and then people are just buying more alts than Bitcoin. It can happen. It can happen. All right. So this is saying, and then when we look at the weekly, remember we showed you the bigger chart. The weekly is dumping. And I want to see this dump and then just completely fall out. And if we do that, that is an insane alt season. And that is a descending triangle too, with a measured move down here to 19. If you see 19 on Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin ends up with only 19% of the entire market share. That's alt season like you've never seen in your entire lives. Like, it's going to be an insane alt season, like absolutely insanity. So that's something that we're looking at too as well on the radar. All right, the Bitcoin dominance. Now we're going to look at Tether dominance as well, just to make sure we cover all of our bases. The weekly wants to pump for this. Not a good sign. All right. But right now the daily does want to dump for Tether dominance, and hopefully we get a mini little pump here. We get rejected by this top trend line and we drop to the downside. So that's what we're looking at. Michael Pa, low key but very high key. You guys are funny. I've been watching you for a while. I've been watching you for a while now and I've learned so freaking much, even though not a total newbie. Tips and tricks to the trade. Shout out to Angela Hope. Love you. TA suggests convergence. Point coming for Bitcoin between triangle drawdown and the edge of the descending wedge in the daily. Price action also skidding off of the 886 of the fib. Pump? Possibly. Shout out to PCal, my man. I love you, Peter. Hope you're having a wonderful time in there in your life, man. I read your beautiful story that you wrote to me, man. I hope you got my message back. Thank you very much. Can you turn up the volume a little, please? No, it's the loudest it's ever been. The fact that it's not loud enough for you is absurd. Something's wrong with you and your own thing. Yeah. I have a lot of guys who do audio in my group, and they would tell me the audio needed to be turned up. Angela, we're also like very high on the levels here. Like, this doesn't play. Boom. See? Boom. I get to the red. You only want to be getting into the yellow. Bang, bang, bang. Like, that's perfect level right there. Like, I was an audio engineer for a long time. I recorded music for a long time. I spent hours and hours in the studio. I don't need to be told that my audio isn't right. That audio is spot on right now. Spot on. Welcome, Angela. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Toby. Yeah. Angela Hope, keep redrawing all the charts. A whiteboard makes a big difference for the daily streams. Super happy that you've been joining us. Dustin, you're the man, dude. I love you, Dustin. I can't wait to really meet you and kick it with you one day. I'm biased. Sue me. Welcome, Angela. Gasp, another girl. Yes, crypto chicks are the smartest. My chicks are the smartest. My life of chicks is the smartest chicks. My life of chicks is the smartest crypto chicks in the game. I'm a music producer. The audio is good. See my man. Connor Anderson, he's breaking it down. Every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Last Saturday of every month, 9 a.m. Learn TA in the language of the patterns. 2 hours that are life-changing. Jump into the beginner's course. I'm just reading the comments. My lovely supporter always likes to make me remember to shill. I don't show myself. She reminds me to show myself. But I do have a beginner's course. Check it out. It's $99. You'll love it. It's 2 hours. Look at the link below. You'll see it. Okay, no other MetaMask course. I also have a MetaMask course she's talking about, and she loved the MetaMask course, so that's why she brings it up. It's actually a DeFi course, but check it out. MetaMask, your guide to DeFi and MetaMask. It's the... She knows when it is. Let me see. It's the first Friday of every month. The first Friday. We already had it. We'll have it next May. That's $125. It's a little more intensive. You can make your money immediately with that class because it will show you how to get into cake and start making 60% residual APY, you know. St. Pete had more history than Boston. LOL. Sorry, not sorry. Nah, man. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Don't even try doing that history stuff with me in Boston, man. Every single day, crypto history, and we're part of it. Change your life in the world. Too cool. Unreal, right? Last super chat, Crow. Tree Invest, first super chat. Just wanted to send a special thanks for that as well. Much respect to you and yours, Tree. Tree City Western probably was. He's the man, dude. Much respect to you and yours. Let's take a look at Crow. Let's take a look at Crow. Let's take a look at Crow. I mean, it's consolidating so nicely, is it not? Holding that $40 region. The 200-day moving average moving through the bottom of the pattern. I always talk about that as a catalyst for movement. tight moving averages. You don't always get them that tight. And this thing is going to do numbers. Think about it. It's going to be here for a long time. Just putting like $5,000 in this and letting it sit is probably like is like just a smart idea. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but like they named the LA stadium, the LA, arena after it. So it's the crypto.com arena. I mean, we're going to be here for a while. Like, this is like Best Buy, man. Like, this ain't going anywhere, So here you go, man. And it can go to 1.21 mil, 1.2, $1.21. I mean, I'd watch Crow on these dailies. Again, look at the bigger, when you're a beginner, look at the beginner time frames. I teach how to get in to the nitty gritty, how to use the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and the 4 hour. And it can get hectic. It's a hard process. You got to understand what I'm doing. I've thought it through for years. It's like an intricate trading system that I've created, I have alerts on the stochastics. I'm watching everything, right? Let's take a look at the 4 hour too. 4 hours oversold, ready to rock. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is oversold with momentum. 15 minute has to come back down. I don't like to enter with a 15 minute high, even though it could pump. I'd wait for a retest. And look, I just put an alert on the stochastics RSI by right-clicking that plus sign. That's now going to hit and go ding, 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 ding. It's going to let me know what's going down. So Crow looks hot to me. I like what I'm seeing for Crow. Bitcoin about to come back on the daily too, so we can see the overall market structure of what we're getting into. We don't just trade alts because we want to. We trade alts because we can see that Bitcoin is coming back up on the daily. So we're going to use that momentum power move to trade alts throughout that movement. See, we look at the environment before we jump into altcoins. This is the key to trading alts. You have to understand where you're at. We looked at Bitcoin dominance, total, right? We looked at so many different things. The total market cap, total 3, Bitcoin dominance, US tether dominance, Bitcoin, right? The dollar index, which is basically tether dominance, but it's not, they're a little off. Crypto.com, baby. Crypto.com, right? Unbelievable. Last but not least, let's look at the dollar index. This is like the US dollar, and we track it every day here on this channel. Now, it looks like it's looping one more time, like that, which means Bitcoin might have a little dip. But what I want to see is this come up. It says it will hit the measured move, but hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it turns here and starts to dump. I've been waiting for this weekly to just turn on us, and it's getting up there, but it's about to make a move to the downside. I want to see us hit resistance here and dump, dump, dump. So I want to see the dollar just not make it, just like it did here, up and dump back down. So that's what we'll have our rally. So the dollar will come up, and then we'll have our Bitcoin rally temporarily until the next move. So the bigger time frame, which is the weekly, wants to take a dump. The daily is overbought as well. The 4 hour, very overbought, a little more, and it's coming up. We could get a little more push. I want to see it get rejected by this top trend line, or by this, by this resistance line that I have at 101, right? 102.98, right, for the dollar. However, it did break out, as we suggested, out of this bullish rectangle. Show me the TA and I'll show you the way, man. It doesn't matter what it is. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Sold my Crow for Naka. That's a Sammy Cup and Heady on the DXY. Possible. I don't know. Yeah, I guess a bit of it. Let's look at our baby Naka, Naka, Naka. Anything below 65 cents, I'm just DCAing into Naka. Absolutely love it. Think it's going to be a big boy project. Can't believe it came all the way back down again to the 40-cent line. I started getting in at 38 cents. And I basically, when it hit the bottom, I said, man, that's the lowest you can get. This is a triple bottom. Let me also show you what it's doing. Some have considered these inverted head and shoulders. All right? Look how fast we made that. That was quick. It's all about the clickage. It's all about how you click through. If you click through at the right pace, it's just seamless. Also, if we delete that, right? Sammy Cup and Heady to the upside. Bob, I can't tell you. The last time I saw a shot like that right through the 5-hole, unfreaking believable. That guy should be freaking, they should take a jar of peanut butter and put it all over his face. But look, there's a cup and handle there for Naka. Can Naka make the right shoulder and blast up all the way back to 82? That would be 100% gains out of Naka. This would be the time when Bitcoin's doing its thing. We're leveraging the right spot. I love Naka. I keep buying Naka, Naka, Naka. So, yeah. I might have to buy some Naka right now, right? Considering the daily's low, right? I mean, probably a good look. Let's take a look at the bigger time frames. Anything that scares me? Actually, the daily was not low. The 4 hour was low. This could turn back to the upside. I like when the 4 hour, the daily's trying to flip for you. No, the daily is low. I'm sorry. What were we looking at there? We went to the 3 day or the 5 day, right? Yeah. 5 days not looking good, but Doesn't mean it's like, I want to backtest this theory. I want to backtest the 5-day theory. I was going to buy some, but decided Noka gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I bought Charles Lee's bags, man. You're the best here on YouTube, and your humor makes you, you. Bless you. Shout out to Bangkok Baby. Love you. World's best voice. Shout out to Toby Chapman with the world's best voice. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you saying that. It's very nice of you. Huge crypto adoption soon. Thanks, Lifer. Bang, bang, bang. FIFA is huge. Guys, we're all so early. Grind that like button like you're at the club. It's like, it's looking fine as, you're funny. You are funny. I'm convinced cryptolifer can see logarithmic patterns. I'm absolutely convinced. Michael Pa. $5,000 and $5. What's the difference? Nothing. Crow is my main long-term hold. To me, it'll be my crypto retirement. Big Sky 33. Shout out to my man up in Montana. You must be Montana with Big Sky, baby. Big Sky country. Watching now. 4 hour on the AP3. 15 got momentum. 1 hour getting low. Daily low. 3-day low. Watching now. Read it like you mean it, Sam. I will, baby. I will. Let me read it back. Let me read it back. I didn't read it good enough. It's going to knock you out. It's going to knock you out. Is that good enough? I think I did it. Like, I put in the effort there. Really wanted to make sure you were feeling it. Because I was feeling it. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling me? Because I'm feeling you. Are you feeling me? Because I'm feeling you. No. Are you feeling me? Because I'm feeling you. It's getting creepy now, right? Don't let me get to whispers. Don't let me start whispering in your ear, sweet nothings. People get creeped out by that. I'm sorry. Shout out to everybody here on the live. But Naka's in a cup and handle. It could do damage. I like what I'm seeing here for Naka. I think I may DCA. I didn't mean to rhyme right there, but I think I may DCA. I might just have to DCA into Naka. A little bit of Naka for the kid. A little bit of Naka for the kid. So I'm going to grab a little more Naka. Not a lot, like 300, 500 to 300. I like that price, man. I like that price. Let's look at the smaller time frames. Can we go lower? No, not really. He says no. It says like they're pretty much bottomed out. Like, in my humble opinion, I'm calling a bottom for Naka right here. I'm publicly calling a bottom for Naka right here, and I'm going in. All right. I already have 1,500. I'm adding another $500. I'm DCAing. Try to teach everybody how to do this because it's not. Everyone thinks the trade has to be an exact moment in the trade. No, it's a builded position and then it's a scaled out position. You scale in, you scale out. You add a little bit as you go, and then you add a little bit as you go up. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So look, $500 worth of Naka. We're going to get 1,228 units, and I'm going to create the trade. This is 3 commas. Nice and easy way to limit right into to KuCoin. And look, I could trade Binance US, Coinbase, all of the exchanges from one place and not have to sign into 10 different places. We love 3 commas. Link in the description below. Check them out. You know what we also love? We love BOOKMAP. The people over at BOOKMAP are unbelievable. Check them out. BOOKMAP, the premier place. And the CEO founder is amazing. Sachi, he's awesome, man. I really love the guy. Awesome. Got to meet him face to face, sit down with him. They're also coming out with new innovations and things coming out. Liquidations. So, you know, I can't really say, but, you know, some things are going to be coming out. It's going to make it even funner and just more interactive with BOOKMAP. So look out for BOOKMAP. It's going to be a really exciting time to be a part of the BOOKMAP family. I have links in the description below. All right. Those links give you discounted packages to BOOKMAP that you can only get through my link. You can't get them anywhere else. Okay. I'm just performing an update real quick, and then I'll show you the BOOKMAP screen, and we'll get into BOOKMAP. Yes, I got your response. Thank you, brother. Well, let me see that. I really want to see that. Wait. What was that? Oh, I lose chats that I want to see now. It's so crazy. Dollar cost averaging. Yep. Any thoughts on coin panel versus 3 commas? I don't know. I don't know anything about coin panel. My hello miner just now delivered. Anyone ever used one? Have success with it? Oh, that's so fun that you got your miner today. Gina, I'm a dork. What does DCA mean? Dollar cost average. Enter the testimonial contest. Please enter the test. Gina, if you don't put a testimonial in there, if I don't see a testimonial from you, Gina, if I don't see a testimonial from every one of the moderators, people that, like, I hope people are throwing down in there. I really hope. Anko Kutsi Butsu. You better have a video testimonial in there, my man. Love learning. If you can, I would greatly appreciate it. Yes, I got your response. Thank you, brother. God bless you and yours, man. I love you, Peter. You're a nice man. Can't believe you like opened up to me in that way. You were a beautiful person, man. Like I started reading that and I was like, wow. World's best voice. You're the best, man. I love you saying that. You're the best here on YouTube. Hey. Are you expecting another mini bull run up to the 4,100 support resistance lines with the next hours? If so, do you believe it's a breakthrough or Bitcoin being rejected? Interesting to hear others' opinions. It looks like it will get rejected because it's just a 1 hour. The 1 hour will pump and then we'll see. But again, I mean, I'm going to take it step by step, man. But like, I'm like pretty close to what you're saying. I'm pretty close to what you're saying. Yeah. You're pretty spot on there. I'm going to take it one step at a time. But the daily suggests 54K. The daily suggests we could get to 54K. I have to be honest, you know. So look, this is Bookmap. It's showing us the liquidity in real time every second of the day. How many buy orders are coming in? We got a lot of buys at 38, 39.8, 40,000. That's it. And then it looks like they want to rip us to 41,800. It's kind of really what we're seeing. So they scoop down here and boom us back up. Looks like we're trapped in price. Not a lot of buys really any lower though. It doesn't look like they want to pick us any lower than 38,000. They would have liquidity down here. So there's really nothing down here. The big buys are at 40K. All right. So the big buys are sitting right where we're at, 40,500, 40K. So we're seeing some big buys. It's actually likely we go up right now into this liquidity bar into 40,560. I wouldn't be surprised if the next 10 minutes you see 40,560 and then possibly 40,700 as they drag us up towards the liquidity bar. More liquidity up there than it is down there. There's that big green buy right there too. Look how big that just got, just as we talked about it. The bigger the green circle, the bigger the green buy. That's a volume buy. Bang, bang, bang. So this is how you can see liquidity. I'm watching Bybit on the futures, right? And I'm watching Bybit, Binance futures in OKX right now in conglomeration on Bookmap data, right? You can see any exchange you want. Look, we can even look at Matic. We can look at Matic and see the order book for Matic. However, I got to change the spread here when you do Matic. I'll have to fix that because you got to change the spread from like 0.10 to 0.001 because the spread depends on how much price action you have in that actual asset, right? So look, we are getting dragged up as suggested. Looks like they're going to keep dragging us up to 40,600. Get that liquidity up there. So I do expect us to move to the upside based on the liquidity that I'm seeing here on the order book. All right. Trust in the pump. My buddy and I have 4 miners. They are awesome. That's awesome, man. Former Ripple advisor Michael Bart has just been named as Joe Biden's pick for Federal Reserve Chairman position. That's a good sign. I hope. You know, we infiltrate. Can the crypto people infiltrate? Lifer today is a full moon. No, I believe it's the 16th. The full moon is the 16th. It's not today. It's the 16th. And let me take you through that real quick. Let me take you through that, everybody. How many people we got here on the live? What's going on? Let me double check this. See what's going on. 382 likes, 391 likes, 293 people on the live stream. Can I get the likes up to the watchers? We blasted through the only channel that gets 100 more likes than watchers every single day. We're the Anomalic channel. We do things that I've never seen other channels do. Where's the channel you see with more likes than viewers? Never see it. Never see it. But it is here on this channel every single day. You tell me how we accomplish this feat. It's an anomaly amongst YouTube channels. Only YouTube channel maybe that does it all the time. I have my reasons why, but I don't worry about it. Lions do not worry about the sheep. Lions do not worry about the sheep. Soon we're going to be bigger than YouTube. We're going to own a platform bigger than YouTube one day. They're going to be small fry to us. They're going to be like, yeah. They're going to be asking to do deals with us. We're going to be like, maybe not. Maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're good to us, YouTube will remember you. But make sure you're good to us because if not, you know, you might have to come groggling back. And we're going to be the billionaires looking down at you like, I don't know if we want to use your new platform. We remember you from last time, you know. Anybody, just do the right thing. Do the right thing. We've done a lot of movement here today. It's insanity. It's absolute insanity. I am T8 out. Who else is T8 out? Like, I am T8 out. Like, wow. You know, I'm T8 out right now, for sure. For sure. I mean, you got to rest the brain once you rip through charts like that. You got to rest the brain, you know. I will do a video testimonial this week. Crypto Life Changer, thank you. Just get it done today, man. Don't stop saying I'm going to get it. You know what I'm saying? Just get it done, man. Just get it done today. No, because you never get to just say, I'm going to get it done right now. Just get it done. No other MetaMask course out there covers what Lifer teaches. You'll know what the Lifer knows and more. How to navigate through the many gems. Thank you for saying that. And everyone says I shill myself. I mean, my admins are shilling me all the time. I'm not even saying it. I'm just reading the comments, you know. Thoughts on VRA? I love VRA. I hold a bag of it. Jimmy Phillips, months like that are good time to take a step back and reflect. Was it emotions? Was it overtrading? Do you need to retake the beginner's course? I ask myself the same questions. There you go. If I could like it twice, it would be nice. I know, right? Benji, love my coding. Talk about what you have done, not what you're gonna do, my man. There you go. Just do it. Yeah, just get it done. Like, I was gonna make a YouTube channel. I'm good. You know, next week I'm gonna start a channel. Start your channel today. Stop playing yourself. Like make your dreams happen right now. Like, I played my. You know why I'm talking to myself right now? It sounds like I'm ridiculing the crowd, but I'm just talking to my old self. Like, what an excuse maker this man was. What a whiner this dude was. Man, I can't. I'm not gonna be able to. I had a reason for everything, man. No, because I gotta do that. Like, come on, man. I was such a lame character. I had the drive and the will, but I just couldn't seem to want to get off my butt and just make it happen, man. I had an excuse for everything. I really did, man. I had an excuse for everything. And now, you know what? I just get it done. And now I don't have to make excuses. I just get it done every day, you know? Happy Easter to you all and your family, Sam. May God continue to bless you, your family, and the Crypto Lifers. Shout out to Dustin Hall, man. We love you, brother. May God continue to bless you and your family as well. Crypto Life Changer. Just because you demand, fire nonstop. Shout out to Crypto Life Changer. I love you, bro. Goals with intention. Danny Setters, man. Danny motherfucking Setters in the house. What you know about Danny Setters? One of the first lifers in the game. Shout out to my man Setters. Love you, Danny. Love you, Danny. You were supporting me when I had 50 subs, man. You're one of the first people to ever jump on this live stream. Danny Setters, baby. Love you, Danny. Love you, Danny. I mean, it's Danny mother effing Setters. Straight up. Check out my baby DEUS. Found support from the all-time high. Flagging hard. I could see it running. Deuce, baby Deuce. Tony Stokes. Let's take a look at Deuce. Take a look. You might see something I don't. And I can't see all the charts. That's why lifers. My trading group isn't about me either. It's about all of us. Not one man can see the whole market. No man can see the whole market. All of us see the market together. We make that one congruent place to bang on them. Let's look at Deuce. Deuce for Phantom. For Wrapped Phantom. I would love Deuce for some Phantom. Deuce is $698, man. Could this thing print me some Phantom? Ooh, I don't know. The Phantom chart looks horrible. Yikes. That looks ugly. Let's look here. Deuce. Oh, yeah, here we go. DEUS. I want to say DEUS Finance, you know. It's got a Polygon address and a Phantom address. It is down in the dumps, though. $698. It was $734. Not too bad. Can't get the market cap yet. Evolution of a marketplace of decentralized financial services. Yeah, I just got real sick again. Just battling it today. Like, I'm just battling it. Like, I'm good for 10 or 20, and then I'm just like, whoa, like, nauseous is everything. Oof, it almost makes me like freaking. The pain in my stomach has just been intense. But I'm doing what I love to do, so I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? But, like, come on, man. Like, give me a break. I was sick for, like, 5 days last week. I'm never sick. I don't even like mentioning it. I couldn't drive home last night. I left my friend's house, left my iPad at his house, so I had to drive back. I was out 10 minutes on the highway, drove back. Thank God I did, because when I got the iPad, we made it through a small town. I opened up the car door. I threw up all over the street. Like, a cop would have thought I was drunk. I threw up all over the street. Then I had to drive into, like, then I was, like, still puking, and I was like, oh, and I had to find, like, a pull-in. I, like, keep it in my mouth. I pulled over, ran out of the car, threw up all over the place. I had to beg my wife to drive. She's like, I've never driven on the highway at night, man. She whines about it. Like, she says she can't. She's not sure she can get us home. I look at her. I said, yo, you got to man up. Like, you're a 30-something. You're a 39-year-old woman with a family. Your husband is throwing up. The car drives itself. It, like, keeps you in the lane. I was like, you got to drive me home, honey. You know? She was like freaking out half the time. Like I woke up, she almost driving in. I closed my eyes, I opened my eyes. She's almost driving right into a guardrail. I'm like, what are you doing? She's like, I can't see. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm like, So I'm sick. She's scaring that bejesus out of me. It was like a ride from hell. Like it really was. It was insane. And I haven't left my house in freaking so long to go out at night. Like it's just crazy. Like it's so funny, man. I can't believe it. So that was my night. It was pretty intense. Like it really was. It's pretty nuts. I look at the Polygon address. I can't seem to pick up what you're putting down here. That's not the Polygon address because I just pasted the Polygon address. I got the USDC 714. Now I see the flag you're talking about. Now I see what you're picking up. Now I'm picking up what you're putting down. I didn't give up, see? I kept moving. I think this is what you're looking at. Yeah, 46% gains coming. Back to 1,000 beans for Dukes Finance. Interesting. It's on the radar for sure. It's on the radar for sure. Okay, what do we see Bitcoin doing in the next few days? I want to see it bust out of this to the upside. That's what we're looking at. We look at the 1 hour, though. The 1 hour is about to croak on us. So, like, this is what we see. We see it in this channel, and it's likely to come back to the bottom of it, honestly. So, expect a rejection here. So here you go. Like either you do some crazy move up and you bounce, or you get rejected soon and you come down. So expect a movement to the downside not too long from now. At that point, the 4 hour and the daily and the 1 hour will be ready to go. And that would be the catalyst. Like that could be our move. And honestly, look at we'll project this theory too. Look at this. I just saw something out of my mind. And you'll get the right shoulder, and then you'll get this, the higher low, and this will form this with the pennant of this. Sorry. I want the white line. I want just the white line. Yeah, there we go. See that? So I'm projecting this kind of idea could occur for Bitcoin here on the 1 hour. So we'll be projecting this idea and watching it closely. We just got rejected by 40,500. I mean, that's like pretty much the rejection point right there. You got resistance right here for Bitcoin. You know, bulls need to break resistance. See that? Oh yeah, and I could do a save as template. So you can save resistance, hit that, and now, see, I just saved myself time. Now you can click on this, go there, hit the template, hit resistance, hit OK, and now you're done. See that? I haven't done that my whole life. I just learned something new right now, and now I'm going to start doing that. Why didn't I do that beforehand? Duh. You know? All right, everyone, I'm out of here for the day. Thank you so much for being here. But this is what I see happening for Bitcoin in the short term. We got resistance. Can we come on down here? I'll be looking at this very, very closely. This is what we're hoping can happen. I do see the 1 hour rolling over on us. 15-minute is overbought. 1 hour is overbought. I never like to open up a trade. I've seen a few anomalies pump out of that, but it's very rare. It's like 1 out of 50, 1 out of 30. No, most of the time, you're getting a drop to the downside, you know? Let's take a look at audio before we get out of here. That was like the one moving the most from what we looked at, right? I'm going to do a live stream tonight. It's going to be a quick live stream, like 20 minutes. I'm just going to be testing my equipment for later. Dude, audios, man, we nailed it. Look at that. I mean, that ain't bad. 5.6% gains on the live. Banged on them. Banged on them. Banged on them. 5% gains on the live stream. And the market is not that great. Right? So you got to give us credit. Like, you got to give us credit where credit is due. Pulling gains out no matter what. Hands down live. Like, I always tell CryptoFace, man, just stop streaming. Just come to my stream and open up your longs with me, man. I'll get you. Because look, how many times if CryptoFace just opened up his leverage longs with my live stream, how much money would that dude have made? Would have made so much money. You know? Just saying. The proof is in the pudding. Like, you can backtest it too. Hey, Sam, thanks again for your hard work. Could you give your opinion on GeoJam, please? Much appreciated. Yeah, people talked about it. They've been bringing it up. If you want to join the trading group, hit this Me6 app. That's going to take you right to the server, and you can pay inside the server. Don't even go to Patreon. Pay with the Me6 app right here. This is so much easier and better. Have access to Discord immediately. Not even have to link. Log in with Discord and then pay with the Me6 app. You're ready to rock, baby. This is how we really want people joining the trading group. This is the best way to join the trading group. Or if you email cryptolifers@gmail and you pay in cryptocurrency. So, oops, sorry. Shoot, sorry about that. Anyway. All right. Moving forward at the speed of light. I'm out of here for the day, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, GeoJam. You asked me about GeoJam. Sorry. I was like something else. One last thing, and then I'm out. Thank you for the super chats. Much respected to you and yours. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Let's take a look at here at GeoJam token. It's up 4%. All right. It's only got an Ethereum address. It's not my favorite thing in the world. All right. It is on KuCoin at Jam. All right. Let's take a look at the website here. And what is the market cap? Can't get the market cap yet. That ain't bad. That means it's like so early. Can't even get the cap yet. Introducing Jam. Our vision is to build a creator economy of the future that reflects the flow of incentives back to the hands of the creators and users themselves. That's why we're launching the Jam token. I like it. I think Mariah Carey might be behind this. Yeah, there's some big people in there, or they just using her face. I think they may be, but Mariah's crew, they may be using her face, but I don't know. You know, you'd be surprised how they slide things in like that. Let's take a look at Jam here on KuCoin. Let's look at Jam here on KuCoin. Likely we're going to get rejected here now by the top trend line and bounce to the downside. It's just more likely that's what's going to happen. So we can swing this back up and then swing this back down, and now this is what we see. This is what's more likely. We can copy that, and maybe we can paste that. No. I'll just grab it, but I thought we could have pasted it. Yeah, so it's likely we're heading to the downside now. Okay. You see how we do this? In my group, man, they know exactly where Bitcoin's going all day long. Like, imagine that. Imagine having an analyst put out a chart for Bitcoin every 2 hours for you. It's like a dream come true. Like, if I had that, I would like I'd pay $500 a month for it. I really think I would. Like, I really would. $99 a month. Like, come on, man. Like, just doesn't get better than our group. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, wait, Jam. Okay, let's look at it on the daily here. I mean, it just came out. It rounded a bottom, which is actually really nice. Okay? It's a good thing. It's a good thing, man. It's a good thing. So we got a rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. You could project the idea that we may eventually cup and handle our way on out of here. You know? And it actually might pump where we're at. 4 hours is getting extended, though. So that worries me. Then I'm going to put my support and resistance lines. Don't really got to go much higher than that. Then I'm going to see we got something kind of like this. All right, we have a bottom trend line that's been holding. We're trying to break out. 1 hour suggests you could get a move here. All right. However, look, it's just very similar to Bitcoin. However, it's not doing the Bitcoin thing. What I mean by that, it's in this upper, see this? But likely to head to the top of this trend. So pattern trade it, in my opinion, quick pattern trade, meaning you could trade inside the pattern up to there. There's a nice 6.8%, 6.4% gains coming on a pattern trade to the upside. It's also a flag that's it's breaking out. Wow, as we speak, look at that. It's moving. It's moving right now. It's moving right now. By golly, Geo Mom, she's going, baby. She going. She gone. She gone, baby. She gone. No, I'm just she gone. Remember that? I looked. She gone. That was that tornado video. Like, and she gone. This thing does look like it wants to move. High like it gets rejected there. That 4 hour does not look good, though. I wait for that 4 hour to sort itself out. I actually like the project. I wait till the 4 hour to sort itself out. I'll put an alert down here. When that alert hits, I'll look at it again. I'll move it up a little bit to be preemptive. There we go. All right, GeoJam. Jam. And that's what I got cooking for it. All right? That's how I work a trade, baby. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sending in the super chats. Thank you for sending in the love. 231 people, 418 likes. 400 likes, baby. We banged on them to the upside. I see channels with 10,000 views getting 400 likes, man. So we're doing really well. YouTube sees the retention. We see the retention. We know it. We got it. We got the strongest crew in all of crypto. Phantom, please. All right, everyone, I'm out of here for the day. The real source. This channel is the real source. The real source. I truly believe a lot of people watch my channel and then, like, it all goes out, you know? Jimmy Phillips, we always love seeing you in the Discord, fam. We all stay connected there. Shout out to Michael Pa, $500 super chat. Look at that. Awesome week, sharing the joy. Love you, Michael. Thank you for sharing your joy, man. A lot. You know what? More is going to come back to you because my energy is so strong. When people give me energy, it's got to come back to you. So, like, wow. I can only imagine what's going to happen to you. You give me $500. Like, that's like, because I'm like a ticket, like, boom. Like, the energy that can come out of this is just purely insane. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Stay positive. Every single day I wake up positive. I pray. I say thank you to God for my life. I use gratitude for my attitude. I love you all. There's no gratitude that I can even fully express to thank each and every one of you for helping me get to 25,000 subscribers. What an unbelievable day it is to be alive. 25,000 subs. I have no reason not to smile, baby. Thank you, each and every one of you, for being here. I love you all. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. If you wanted Phantom, send in a super chat, man. You didn't. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Be safe. I'll see you on the next live stream. Peace. Crypto is live.